comes to work with a true purpose, right? If you got a team that's pregnant and doesn't really know what's the company's goal, what's my objective for the day, what kind of output are they going to get, right?
We are at, oh, hey, check this out.
Try it. So, if you want.
This little kid skidoo here. Sick. Dude, you can shred the slopes with that, man. Hey folks, welcome to the Lawn and Landscape YouTube channel. We are at Lawntrepreneur Academy live for Brian Fullerton's event. I want to show you his Isuzu crew truck. This thing is sick. If you're in lawn care, this is, I think, the rig to have. Okay, what do we got here? And I'll let Brian do some talking on it later, but we've got the Isuzu, I don't even know what this unit is called, but branded out, looking awesome here. Fold down sides, I like that a ton. The molder on his rig, he has portable fuel tanks, and obviously there's a lot of room for upfits in here of more equipment, boxes or toolboxes. Heck, you could put string trimmers under here, make it, if I were in lawn care, I guess that's kind of the way I would think about it, or maybe a quick grab of a string trimmer here. And then I got the rack up there, up a little high, but still reachable. Again, I'm so out of lawn care. I haven't been in lawn care for a long time. Don't know if I can get in this rig. Heck yeah, look at this thing. Dude, this thing's sick. I like this. I haven't, dude, this thing is awesome. Look at this. They're gonna need seat covers. I can pretty much tell that right now. But yeah, dude, this thing is rad. I freaking love this. I don't want to rear end somebody with this thing, but yeah, this thing is amazing. And yeah, this is totally the way I feel like, anyways. If I were in lawn care or we were to start a lawn care route, this is the type of device we would have. And obviously you gotta have the crew hauler aspect of it. Fire extinguisher down here, I like that. It's not that new truck smell. Smells awesome. I really want, mixed fuel tank in here with a pump, obviously. Straight gas tank, maybe even a diesel just for the heck of it. We're gonna fold down dovetail. And it's got spring assist. At some point it'd be really cool to have the pneumatic assist or pneumatic lift up in here. I don't know what these are for here unless it's I can't say I know. Toolbox, like I said, I'd want to see just toolboxes all over the place, but maybe that's not necessary in lawn care. I don't really know. But we got a ladder that folds down here. This thing pulls out, although I don't know how to do it. Maybe it's locked in. I wonder how awkward I can make this for how long. We'll let that go for now. But I definitely like the fold down side aspect. We can get pallets of mulch on top of here, even as a rig for site maintenance too, not just the lawn maintenance itself or property maintenance. So brianslm.com. Yeah, that's a good rig. Short but long enough. You can get a lot of stuff on there. This is cool. Easy access with batteries. I like that. But you could run mini skid steers up on this. I mean, really a pretty versatile rig. Toolboxes up here, fully lockable. Obviously for safety and security. We're not unloading equipment every day. At the shop or wherever, and that's a big deal too, right? We don't want to be loading and unloading every day for each machine, and saving that time. If you start to run the numbers of every day how much you spend time-wise paying staff to take tools on and off of trucks, you'll quickly realize that extra couple $100 a month can go to a payment on something like this. QR code, by the way, I like that. But yeah, that is a slick rig, man. I think that's the way to go for lawn care. I really am convinced in that. So very cool.
Okay. Yeah. Did you bid anything else? Did you lose any sales last week, or did you bid something you didn't land? Let's say he did. Let's say he bid $140,000. I want to do simple math. This guy puts out $140K in estimates. He lands 70. Who knows his close rate? Yes. This is awesome. You guys are crushing it. Seriously, it's that simple. So take the last, again, when you go home, I would highly advise you, look back through your year. I don't care if it's pen and napkin math. I don't care. Find that number. How much in output did I do? Get together all that information, figure out what the hell you output and what you landed. That gives you your close rate.
Quick breakout session here with Forward Coaching.
Who doesn't know